You said you need purpose built vehicle for commercial use. So commercial because it's being used for delivery. So therefore it becomes primarily a commercial vehicle. Uh, and these delivery workers have their own specific needs. Like this design was determined by this. Uh,
Sure. So from day one, we kept our vehicle specification to that standard which is defined, well defined in India. In fact, all over the world, including Japan, that if it is below this threshold, you don't have to worry about the legal aspect of the bikes. In fact, this is
it's
bicycle.
like a speed
So it
limit.
is
Like if it's
speed limit, motor power, and the weight.
okay,
So if your
okay,
speed is maximum speed is 25, motor power average is 250 watt, and there's a weight limit of 60 kilogram, then this is called non-motorized vehicle, and under which it is exempted for registration, exempted for license, and things like that. So we leverage that because we understood that part, that someone who needs a ride from a metro to Yulu station to or some place, they're not going to carry their helmet. In fact, very interestingly, Japan, which is very conservative in terms of the safety, when they were launching the e-bike program, shared e-bike program, even they took off the requirement of the helmet from that usage. Same way, we understood that is not going to happen. If it is a vehicle which is built for business as usual case, then you need to have a DL, which 85% people in India don't have. They know how to ride a bicycle, and they can use Yulu very easy. They are not carrying helmet when they are commuting. Impossible. So we keeping this form factor actually helped us strategically in getting the good user base on our side.
hmm. What are some of the other things? So these like the weight, the engine power, these features were decided by the regulatory norms. What are some of the other features that were decided by other requirements?
So this is actually the legal part which makes it bicycle. But post that, you need the right height so that a lady or a female who is 5'1", 5'2", so it is not very tall, it's right size. It's also, by the way, one seater, because the moment you have two seats, the weight, the motor power is not good enough to
Enough.
carry two people.
Hmm.
Other things are swappable battery. So rather than you bringing the scooter for the charging, you just swap the battery. Other thing including this is anti theft features. So all the fasteners, lot of things are uh, built for anti theft. There are also anti abuse system where you throw the bike very harsh on some rough surface, nothing will happen. You throw it to the water, nothing will happen.
Hmm.
uh,
Okay. You
IoT,
did all this testing, like
there is no
destroying
key.
bikes.
Yeah, there's no
Yeah.
key. So everything is keyless. So it's actually every part has been thought through from that lens that it is for a commercial use case. It's not built for usage, it is built for abuse. So different design thinking altogether.